Hi everybody, Adrian here from Upstack Studio. You've just clicked on the Absolute Perfect video if you're wondering whether or not React Native will be a good fit for the mobile project you have in mind. If you want more videos about React Native, mobile development or product development in general, you should definitely click on the subscribe button below right now because we are releasing videos every single week on all of these topics. Now, let's get back to business. So, what is React Native? React Native, in short, is a JavaScript framework that allows us to build native mobile applications for both Android and iOS. We write codes in JavaScript and our mobile app is rendered in native code. So you might ask, how does that help me as a startup or a product owner or even as a CEO? Let us show you. Why you should use React Native. Reason number 1. Shorter development time. With React Native, developers only need to write their code once and it can be shared across both Android and iOS. This alone will help increase the speed of development tremendously. No more writing codes twice to handle 2 platforms. To make things even better, with the release of React Native version 0.61, we can now utilize fast refresh to see our changes as soon as we save. With the power of JavaScript, React Native made it possible for us to iterate at lightning speed. Rapid code delivery allows businesses to gain a competitive edge by shipping innovative products first to the market. So the question here is, do you want to reduce the time to market for your product? I'll leave it up to you. Next up, smaller team. Imagine working with a smaller team but being able to achieve the same results. With React Native, you can now hire 1 JavaScript developer instead of 1 Android developer and 1 iOS developer. Being able to reduce the number of developers with platform-specific skills, which in turn reduces the cost of delivery, is huge for businesses. Do keep in mind that this is considering that you are using React Native for the right projects and don't need too much native bridging. That's for another video, so stay tuned to our channel for other videos explaining when to use React Native. Reason number 3. Lower cost of development. All the previous factors contributes to one critical business advantage of React Native over native development: the lower overall cost of building an app. React Native allows you to accomplish the same result as native, faster, with a smaller team, and a lower HR and admin cost. The framework streamlines not only the coding part, but also product updates and product delivery to the end users. This generates further cost reductions. Furthermore, React Native is fully open source, easily accessible to anyone, and does not require any platform-specific IDE. That saves you the hassle of license fee. Not to forget, all open source development tools and libraries are available for free thanks to the huge community behind React Native. Which brings me to the next reason: community. React Native is a young framework, but it is constantly under active development. Both Facebook and the massive community behind React Native are constantly improving the framework. Companies like Wix and Microsoft are betting big on React Native. You can also easily get help through different channels if you're facing issues with development. There's a React Native community Q&A Facebook group, the Reactive Flux Discord channel, the React Native Spectrum channel, and a few other company-based communities run by some of the most active contributors like CallStack, Infinite Raid, and Expo. Last but not least, no compromise on your user's experience. React Native lets us create truly native apps. Components that are used in React Native is mapped directly to the platform's native UI building blocks. It is not a hybrid app that uses WebView to fit a mobile website into a mobile app. This provides a much better performance compared to hybrid mobile applications. A truly native look and feel that provides a better user experience. Do not compromise on UX because this is one of the ways you can retain users and keep them coming back. So there you have it, 5 reasons why you should consider React Native for your next mobile project. So quick recap: shorter development time, smaller team, lower cost of development, community, and no compromise on UX. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions on whether or not you should use React Native for your next mobile project. We would really love it that you like this video if you find it useful, and hopefully we've convinced you to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.